Okay, parents, so this is to teach your kids letter sounds. Like I said, my son struggles with reading, and so this video is really for him, but I thought I would share it with you all. So if your kids want to use it, that's great. Okay, today we're going to learn letter sounds. Repeat this twice every day.
A, B, B, K, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, M, 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 A, P, P, Q, Q, S, S, Ch, Ch, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z.
Don't forget, go ahead and do this 2 times a day. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.